In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create bank rules in Xero so you can automate your transaction coding and save a huge amount of time during reconciliation. If you're tired of manually categorizing the same payments over and over again, bank rules are exactly what you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a rule directly from your bank feed and customize it to match specific transactions automatically. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Accounting. From the drop-down options, select Bank Accounts. This will show you a list of all the bank accounts connected to your Xero organization. Next, find the bank account you want to work with, for example, your main checking account. On the right-hand side, you'll see a blue button that says something like Reconcile, followed by a number of items waiting to be reconciled. Click on that Reconcile button to open your bank feed transactions. Now you'll see a list of transactions that have been imported from your bank, but haven't yet been matched or coded. Look through the list and identify a transaction that repeats regularly. For example, you might see a payment to Gateway Motors or Central City Parking. These are perfect examples of transactions you can automate with a bank rule. Once you've found a suitable transaction, look to the far right of that transaction row. You'll see an Options link. Click on Options and then select Create Bank Rule from the drop-down menu. This opens the bank rule setup screen. At the top, you'll define the conditions that trigger the rule. In the comparison field, choose Contains. This tells Xero to apply the rule whenever the transaction description contains specific text. In the text field, enter the exact wording that appears in your bank feed, for example, Gateway Motors. Make sure this matches how it shows in your transactions so the rule works correctly. Below that, you can define how Xero should code the transaction. Choose whether it's a spend money or receive money rule depending on the type of transaction. Then select the appropriate contact, account code, tax rate, and any tracking categories you use. For example, you might assign it to motor vehicle expenses with the correct tax setting. The more accurately you configure this section, the less manual work you'll have to do later. You can also choose whether the rule should automatically suggest the match during reconciliation or automatically approve it. If you're confident the rule is accurate and won't capture unwanted transactions, automatic approval can speed things up even more. However, if you prefer to review each transaction, leave it as a suggestion. Once everything is filled out, review the details carefully. Make sure the condition is correct and the coding details are accurate. When you're ready, click Save. Your bank rule is now active. From this point forward, whenever a transaction comes in that contains the specified text, Xero will automatically apply the rule during reconciliation. You'll either see it pre-filled and ready to approve or fully auto-approved depending on the settings you selected. This can dramatically reduce the time you spend reconciling your accounts each week or month. And that's how you create bank rules in Xero. It's a simple feature, but it makes a massive difference in keeping your bookkeeping efficient and consistent. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future Xero tips and accounting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.